My name is Bruno Cancan. I'm with Schiller Groundscare. I'm the VP of Sales and Marketing for Classen, Leerwander and Mantis. And we're very excited to introduce at this ARA, the 60th edition of the ARA in Atlanta, the new Classen standard SA30 Aerator. It's a unit that's really designed for landscape contractors and professionals who have a strong business in aeration. And basically, I wanted to walk you through the product. It's got a very good engine with more horsepower than most, which will allow aeration to take place even on hills or in challenging conditions. One thing our engineers did a lot of work to solve was all the known problems of maintenance with chains and so on. And they've designed an automatic tensioning system, which means that the operator or the rental dealer in between rental does not need to manually adjust the chain. It's done automatically. We have covers and shields that protect all the areas of the equipment that need to be protected against grit and mud and so on. It's very familiar design to contractors who understand stand-on mowers, except this is an aerator. It's got a platform on suspension, which makes it comfortable, especially if they have to work all day long. Specific to the unit, there is a thumb switch by the right handle, which allows to lower and raise the tines. There is a knob that adjusts the amount of pressure put on the unit, on the tines during the aeration. And it will allow the operator to maintain a constant depth of aeration between 2 and 5 inches. On this side and on the other side, we have a selector that the user can use to decide whether they want to maintain a constant 2-inch, 3-inch or 5-inch of aeration. And there's one on both sides. Interesting, convenience feature with a knee pad that can be removable. It gives you access to areas of the unit where you need to do some maintenance. So we've added here with the oil reservoir a cooling system, an additional cooling system which allows the unit hydraulics to stay at a good operating temperature without overheating. 8 rows of tines. The 2 central ones are freewheeling, and the ones on the left and the right are what drives the unit and allows the user to be doing aeration even though the unit is going through a very sharp turn. So another thing I wanted to show you is little jack stand device. There's one on both sides, and when the mechanic at the dealership needs to do some maintenance underneath, what they need to do is then drop the jack stand, one on the left, one on the right, raise the unit using the tine pressure, and they have some clearance in order to do some maintenance work.